I signed the papers for a lifelong lease. I rent the earth where I stand and the air I breathe. Then you forget that deal you made with God, while busy finding yourself being young, being dumb, and in love. It's all too easy, and you're easily bored. Never once has it crossed your mind that life's too short. And there's a third person walking behind us, a tap on the back and it's there to remind us life is a blink of an eye till you are no more. So I stand back and I watch us fall. This magical fantasy.
Now with passion in our eyes, there's no way we could disguise it secretly. So we take each other's hand, 'cause we seem to understand the urge.